Exploring the world of CoinMarketCap. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Crypto Insights. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the dynamic world of CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just stepping into the world of cryptocurrencies, this video is your ultimate guide to navigating CoinMarketCap like a pro. So grab your notepads and let's get started. 1. Coin listings and data. The homepage showcases the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. But don't be fooled, there's much more to explore. Each coin's profile provides essential information like its current price, market cap, trading volume, and a detailed price chart. Remember, staying informed is crucial when making trading decisions. 2. Filtering and sorting. With thousands of coins listed, finding the ones that interest you can be overwhelming. That's where the filtering and sorting options come in handy. You can narrow down your search based on parameters like price, market cap, and volume. This helps you focus on the coins that align with your investment strategy. 3. Historical data. Understanding a coin's past performance can provide valuable insights. By toggling the historical data view, you can see how a coin's price and market cap have changed over different time frames. This historical perspective aids in identifying trends and making informed predictions. 4. Coin details. Clicking on a specific coin takes you to its dedicated page, offering a wealth of information, from its technology and use case to its official website and social media links. You can dig deep into what makes a coin tick. Always perform research prior to making a purchase. 5. Information and updates. Staying updated with the latest developments in the crypto space is crucial. CoinMarketCap provides a news section that covers everything from regulatory changes to technological advancements. Remember, a well-informed investor is a smart investor. 6. Coin metrics. Coin metrics offer in-depth insights into a coin's fundamental data. This includes on-chain metrics, transaction history, and even details about the coin's distribution. This data can give you a better understanding of a coin's utility and adoption rate. 7. Tools. CoinMarketCap offers a variety of tools to aid your crypto journey. The Portfolio Tracker helps you manage your holdings and monitor their performance. The Watchlist feature lets you keep an eye on your favorite coins without cluttering your feed. 8. Educational resources. Do not be concerned if you are new to the cryptocurrency industry. CoinMarketCap has a dedicated Learn section that offers educational articles, guides, and tutorials. Remember, knowledge is power in this rapidly evolving space. Conclusion. We appreciate you following us on this digital currency journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep riding the crypto wave. Happy investing!